funny, isn't it? One word can like make all the difference.
People actually died from it.
Oh yes.
Shit.
Kind of jumping around your tongue, a little bit spicy and a little bit picky. Like
I saw you walking here. I wanted to say hello. I just started following your tips and tricks and laughing at your antidotes.
We're Mandy and Lee with the Frugal Travelers.
We've been traveling for over 30 years on a budget of $25 US each per day.
We've been to 125 countries and now we're in Taiwan. So we're at the Hualien train station now. We've got our ticket for a local train to Taipei. It's so cool. This is our local train from Hualien to Taipei. With this local train that we wouldn't get a seat. So far we've got a whole carriage to ourselves.
Whole carriage.
And now the great debate, which side do we sit on?
The seaside, I think.
And I suddenly realised 4 hours with no toilet, but Taiwan, you are amazing. Local train, commuter train, and there's a free public toilet with toilet paper. So blinking civilised. Yet another reason why we love Taiwan.
So we are trying pineapple cake for the very first time. Mandy says it's really popular, so we had to try it. So there's Taiwan Nice, so I think this is one of the most popular flavours. Looks like that. Pretty awesome. Lovely. And you've got the like a fig roll kind of thing, you know, with that lovely flavour inside. Yeah, artificial of course, but and this was 39 Chin Taipei, just under £1. And I'm going to eat them all while Mandy's holding the camera.
So after a wonderful 4 hours, we're the very next stop. So that's it. So when it comes to orientation, when you come out of the platform, etc. For example, we needed to head to the Taipei City Mall to find exit Y10. So I've just checked with Robin what this is. And apparently it's to extend the sidewalk because cars come along and they'll cut the corner. I'd kind of assumed it was some sort of, I don't know, parking for parents and students, but that's really good to know.
I think it's something to say here.
Yeah.
Okay. Ken.
Okay.
Ken, no worries.
Yeah. So this is so lovely. So we're coming here with Robin to the Ningxia Night Market because there's so many things I want to see, and we're just at the crossing.
Yeah.
And then we hear this. Like, like, what did you say? Our videos got you through northern Pakistan.
Your videos got me through Pakistan. I was stumbling for some research. Ken from Canada. I just started following your tips and tricks and laughing at your antidotes. I was cheering you on when you went to the Maldives. Maldives.
Yeah.
No, but it really helped. There's 3 or 4 things in there that really helped, especially the bus ride. The nasty, awful bus ride from Islamabad up to Gilgit. But anyway, thank you. I saw you walking here. I wanted to say hello because this is my last night here.
So lovely.
That's so great.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do
Here we are.
big thumbs up. Oh,
Yes.
And we're gonna give a selfie.
Let's do it.
Yeah. And so today, Robin, we do have a YouTube channel. Robin's been filmed all day today.
Oh, is
so
that
he's
right?
gonna be
Yeah.
he's gonna be in our videos.
Sure is, yeah. Okay.
So lovely to meet you, Ken.
Lovely to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we're in Ningxia Night Market now, and Mandy is going to pick Robin's brains about all the food that she's been interested in for a long time, but can't figure out the writing here.
Tofu, isn't it? The stuff in the yellow squares?
yes, that's tofu.
What is this one here?
They're actually made by the flour. It's actually from Japan.
So Robin's talked me through a few things here. So apparently, like a block of tofu, if you get it deep fried, it's like 35 for a whole one or 20 for a half, but he said it's full of air. couple of holes. But there's
Paying for the air. Yeah. Okay.
But and the mushrooms as well are like 35, 40, and that thing there that looks like a sesame cake thing is actually pig's blood cake.
And they put rice in there, so it's a big rice cake.
The famous Taiwanese scallion pancake, this one here, and scallion omelette.
That's the omelette there with egg.
That's 50 and that's 40. They look just like roti canai, I think, from Malaysia.
A little bit similar, but
And do they tend to just eat them like that alone, or add something to them? This one.
you can eat it just straight away like this. So you can eat something it's not from Taiwan.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a mixed cultural mixed country.
Yeah, it's not just Taiwanese food here, is it? There's a real
Yeah.
mixture, and thanks to Robin, we're finding out that we thought we were eating Taiwanese, but we were eating Japanese often.
So yes, it is a slight mistranslation. It is a small sausage in a large rice cake. So that's it there, that's a rice
Because of
cake.
the shape, it looks like a sausage.
Yeah, and like an intestine as well. Give it a go.
One small intestine in large intestine. So it's 80 Chin Taipei,
And there it is.
and some pickled cabbage and pickled pork bits and cucumber and a sausage. Oh, they're those ones that you eat. Ah, thank you, Sheshu. Lee, do you want to try it?
I'm not sure. Normally I avoid intestines, but it's just sausage.
It's just a sausage.
Sausage.
Yeah, just a sausage.
Funny, isn't it? One word can make all the difference.
Is this when you twist at the bottom?
Yeah, you twist the bottom, you're
twist
coming
the bottom
up.
of it. The famous thing.
Twist at the bottom, it comes out.
Twisting.
Yes.
Yeah, like that. Hey, and then it pops up
Like a glue, you know.
yeah, like a Jack in the Box.
Oh,
Yeah.
glue stick.
Yeah,
Glue stick, yeah.
Twist at the
Your
bottom.
food comes
and
popping
you-
out there, and then you give it a go. We're going hot. It's quite fatty, and it's quite sweet, and it's got the nice bits around the edge.
Wow.
I love the sweet stuff here. It's really
Yeah.
nice, yeah. I really do enjoy that. It's great. I
Fantastic.
think you're going to enjoy that, Mandy.
Definitely not whole food plant-based, and I see what Lee means about it being sweet, but it's delicious. Oh my word, it's really tasty.
That I do not miss here in Taiwan.
And for vegetarians, Robin has pointed out, see that red sign?
It's got what looks like a reverse swastika on the top. If you see that sign, it is vegetarian.
Unlike this. I think Robin's got more of the hang of like how to twist
Handle it.
it. Oh my word, look at that.
Little twist and it pops up like that.
Okay, yeah, we didn't quite get that, but the first one, I'm sure we'll get like a lot better. So there's an English menu, scallion pancake. I'm gonna go for the double cheese with condensed milk for 80. I don't know if it's gonna be, obviously it's not traditional, that's the traditional one. Spicy or not spicy for 65.
Okay.
It's gonna be really interesting because I've been waiting to try one of these for ages.
Scallion pancake time. Wow, look at that. And it's, they're kind of fried in a ham.
Yep. Oh, it's the double cheeses with the cheese slices. I've been reading a blog called Taiwan Obsessed by Nick Kemble, and he raves about the scallion pancake with cheese. That's why I had to try this one. Have you ever had one with this style before, Robin?
I'll just have the plain one with no toppings.
Okay.
Very pretty patterns going on there.
Oh, so that's the spicy
Sauce,
sauce.
sesame.
Oh, wonderful. Oh, that is beautiful.
So cheese and cream, is it?
No, it's condensed milk.
Condensed milk, so
Yes, please.
sweet and savoury.
So Robin can try it. We're going to get cut into 3.
Thanks.
Excellent.
Yeah, actually I haven't tried this flavor before.
Wow, that's wonderful.
It's nice, they'll cut it up for you.
Yeah. Store 27 if you want to try special scallion pancake.
Give it a go. One of these bad boys.
A lot of places don't have their own seats and tables. So if you want to sit down, go for one that like has. So Robin?
Otherwise, move to the side and find a little
Really
place.
hot. Oh my word.
Okay, get ready to burn your fingers.
Clever. The hot dog wrapper. Genius.
As always, away. Glad we didn't throw it away.
Yeah.
Yep, let's do it.
Okay, excellent.
Enjoy. How is it?
different from the traditional one, but the flavor is very good. And texture is, because it's like deep pan fried, so actually it tastes like fried actually. But it's not like dark brown, it's just golden brown.
Okay, here goes.
Quite a bizarre concept. Cheese and condensed milk.
Ooh, I like the basil as well, just to give it something. Yeah, I'm getting used to sweet and savoury in the same meal now. It's kind of a...
Lee normally struggles with that.
I like it.
Brilliant.
Quite filling as well, I would say.
My big question for Robin is, when you come to a night market,
Yes.
what do you tend to eat? Does it change every time, or do you have like a default favourite?
I'll go by the mood. So I just came and look around and say, oh, okay, this place look delicious, and I'll try it. Every time I try different things.
That is so cool.
There's so much on offer, I think, you know, like we've tried quite a few things now, and there's a lot more to go, isn't
Yeah,
there?
we haven't actually repeated anything. Oh, song come, I had twice, but that's it.
Yeah.
Here we have more Korean pancakes. That looks incredible. 70 for a green onion egg, and it's okay on the griddle. That's incredible. Fucking oyster mushroom egg pancake is 70.
We tried the original one, right?
No, I think we tried the plum.
We tried
one.
plum, that was good.
Then how about the original one?
Yeah.
I don't
Does
know,
that
but-
have something inside, or is
No,
it
it's just
No, it's
air.
what's on the outside. What is this one? What is
Like a spicy and tickling flavor.
prickly ash.
Yeah.
Okay.
So kind of jumping around your tongue, a little bit spicy, a little bit picky, like
So, of all of these, which is your favourite flavour?
chocolate.
Yeah,
I
was
love
gonna
chocolate
suggest that,
so
Really?
much. I can eat everything with the chocolate on it.
So, okay.
Okay, so
I was going to
think
suggest
someone's-
chocolate. As I know that's the adventurous one, but I'm not feeling that today. I don't know. What do you think, Mandy?
Whatever you think, darling, you choose. Yeah, go chocolate then.
2
We're
to
gonna
1.
go
Okay.
10, 16, 21.
一个巧克力小份的
They're just
What's the
different.
difference?
different kind of the sweet potato. Yes,
And this is
chocolate.
still number
Oh, 谢谢.
41.
Yes.
Well, I can't believe how much quieter it is tonight.
So I got a purple one,
With lots of
and
other
it's really
chocolate
firm on the
Yep.
outside. And is it going to be hot when I bite into it?
I think so. Careful though. It's only air inside.
Yes, it is. Oh wow, and it is quite hollow.
Yes. It's the flavours on the outside, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
not on the
inside.
inside.
It is tasty. I do like it, and I think
it
they'll be
smells-
quite filling as well. Yeah,
It actually smells quite nice. Okay,
I'm liking it.
brilliant. So this is the yellow one, but so just basically different types of taro,
Yeah.
as opposed to different flavours. or
Different type of the sweet potato. Yeah, taro and sweet potato is different.
Oh, are they?
Yes.
Okay.
Taro, sweet potato, sweet
Yeah.
potato. They
This
are
is
different.
Kumra,
Oh,
right?
okay.
They are different categories.
Yeah.
So you've got the yellow sweet potato
Yes.
and the purple,
sweet potato.
But taro is purple, isn't it?
Yes. But light purple.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to try this one. That's quite nice. And the chocolate's not that sweet.
Yeah, no, because it's a powder. If you have chocolate sauce on there, then probably sweet.
Ah. But I like it. Really nice.
So you can eat it between main courses, and it's not a problem.
Fantastic. So here's another one of those, like, you choose your things and the price is around 40 Taiwanese new dollars for like your tofu or for your edamame beans and your seaweed, your fish skin. You can do things that way. Brilliant. So we're going to go for mochi on shaved ice.
Mochi on shaved ice.
This
What is
one is-
mochi?
Thing you make by rice, so it's
Yeah.
like a rice cake.
A rice
It's
cake.
like soft and sticky. Yeah.
Okay.
So would that be a small
Looks
or a
good.
large?
Large.
We're just making one up here.
So you want fried one, please?
Yes.
一个这个。
Turns out I've been saying it wrong. I've been saying mochi, but the pronunciation is
Mochi.
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 Yes.
Mochi.
Yeah, mochi.
Okay.
Okay, fantastic.
Remember?
And we're going to go for the large one with, I think it's black sesame and, is it peanut?
Yes, peanuts.
Peanut. Oh, fantastic.
I don't know if it came from Japan or the Japan mochis came from Taiwan though. I think they have cultures been mixed together. The Taiwan local tribes, they make mochi as well. But in Japan, they made mochi for a long period of time as well. So it's a traditional food from Japan and Taiwan as well.
I love the fact that they gave us 3 spoons. So apparently they start off, it's hot, starts off warm and soft, and then the cooler it gets, the more it firms up. Mmm,
Nice and gooey.
nice and gooey. Oh, and I love sesame. I don't think I've ever had black sesame before. It's really lovely. And with the shaved ice, excuse my thumb,
Nice on a hot day.
perfect for this hot weather in Taipei.
Fantastic. Okay guys, let's tuck in. Enjoy.
Make sure to chew all the way up before you swallow it.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yes, some people like they swallow too quick and actually choke up. So if
Right.
you eat mochi, just make sure you chew it all the way down.
That's good advice. Thank you very
Oh, my
much.
word. People actually died from it.
Oh yes,
Shivers, haven't they?
like old people.
It's dangerous, hey?
people.
But
They
eating
don't
it.
chew a lot. So when they eat it, it's like chew twice, third time, and they swallow it. They stick on your throat, so you can't breathe. So someone.
Take some big risks here, don't we? You know,
Like,
but it's
yeah.
worth it, eh, Mandy?
Things we do for you guys.
Similar to eat the jelly. Someone didn't chew the jelly, just like swallow it.
The jelly falls apart. Like, this is like amazing. Amazing.
Right, let's get stuck in.
So we've just seen some lovely street kitties or market kitties having something to eat over here. And Robin said one of them's a, oh, you can't see. It's a Mercedes cat. Anyway, it's a type of cat. And so, Robin, do you eat cat and dog in Taiwan?
Not anymore. We do that about like 60 or 70 years ago. But now, like, we protect the dog and the cat though. So if you eat dog or the cat, it's a crime in Taiwan.
Ah, wow.
That's good to know, yeah.
So
yeah.
good to know.
While like the animal protection law.
Yeah. So
But I-
these guys are safe. That's
Yeah,
good to know.
That's brilliant.